Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to transform your 2D logo into a stunning 3D animation in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, import your 2D logo and switch to Fusion and add an image plane 3D node. Then, apply the duplicate 3D effect, increase the copies to 100 and adjust the Z offset to add a depth. Now add a transform 3D and tweak the Y rotation to preview your new 3D logo. Then, to animate the logo, keyframe Y rotation from 0 degrees to 360 degrees for a full rotation. Finally, add a renderer 3D node and connect it to Media Out, and your 3D logo animation is ready to export. And that's it. Now you have a professional 3D animated logo in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.